Hello everyone, and welcome again to Bistradora's Kitchen. As a hot chocolate lover, for today I will be making French hot chocolate, a real hot chocolate. I cannot wait to show you this recipe. It is very easy, so you can do it at home. All you need is 500 milliliters milk, 1 bar of black chocolate, 70% cocoa, double cream, but we'll use it at the end, big pinch of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, some vanilla essence, small pinch of salt to balance the sugary and the savory flavor, and 30 grams real cocoa powder. This is very easy way to work with cream. So first warm up a spoon. Then use a spoon. I have been to France and the hot chocolate is really delicious. With this recipe you can also imagine you have been to France as well. When you try my recipe, write down a comment to tell me your experience. Don't forget to subscribe to Bistradora, give a thumbs up, also check my other interesting videos. Thank you so much, see you next time, bye!